Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use TradingView for beginners on your phone. First, download the free TradingView app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. The interface is designed for easy navigation. You'll quickly learn to find your favorite stocks, crypto, or other assets using the intuitive search and watch list features. It's a powerful tool right in your pocket. Now, let's dive into charting. TradingView offers various chart types, including popular candlesticks and line charts, which you can easily switch between. You can add a wide range of technical indicators, like the Relative Strength Index or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, to help with your analysis. Adjust timeframes from 1 minute to 1 month to suit your trading strategy. The mobile app makes detailed analysis accessible and straightforward, even on a smaller screen. Next, master the drawing tools. You can easily add trend lines, support and resistance levels, or Fibonacci retracements directly onto your charts. These tools are crucial for identifying potential entry and exit points. Don't miss important market shifts. Set up price alerts to get instant notifications when an asset reaches a specific price. You can also save your customized chart layouts, making it simple to pick up where you left off. Finally, explore the community and advanced features. TradingView isn't just about charts. It's a vibrant social platform where you can share ideas, learn from experienced traders, and discover new strategies. Stay informed with integrated news feeds and economic calendars, providing crucial market insights directly within the app. And hey, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. It's all about making your life easier, both in trading and beyond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.